Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we'll be diving into the world of OpenAI and how it can revolutionize the way IT professionals work. So buckle up and get ready to expand your tech knowledge. OpenAI is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence platform that has been making waves in the tech industry. But what exactly is OpenAI, and how can it benefit IT professionals? Let's find out. Firstly, OpenAI stands for Open Artificial Intelligence. It was founded in 2015 by tech giants such as Elon Musk and Peter Thiel, with the goal of creating safe and beneficial artificial intelligence for all. It is an open-source platform, which means that its code and resources are freely available for anyone to use and modify. This makes it accessible for IT professionals of all levels to experiment and develop their skills. The key insight to take away from OpenAI is its ability to create intelligent machines that can learn and adapt on their own. This is made possible through its advanced machine learning algorithms and deep neural networks. These models are trained on large data sets, allowing them to make accurate predictions and decisions based on the information they receive. This not only improves efficiency, but also frees up time for IT professionals to focus on more complex tasks. Now, let's talk about the use cases of OpenAI. IT professionals can leverage this platform for a wide range of applications, such as natural language processing, speech recognition, and image recognition. This can greatly enhance customer service by enabling chatbots to understand and respond to customer inquiries, as well as automate repetitive tasks. In the healthcare industry, OpenAI can assist in diagnosing diseases more accurately and quickly. It can also help in fraud detection and risk assessment in the financial sector. The possibilities are endless, and it's up to IT professionals to explore and utilize OpenAI to its full potential. So, for all the tech-savvy individuals out there, it's time to up your game with OpenAI. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert in coding to get started. With a basic understanding of programming languages like Python, you can dive right in and start experimenting. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more informative tech content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.